Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marinara sauce. First, gather your ingredients. A 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, and good quality olive oil. Don't forget a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. You'll also need a medium-sized pot and a wooden spoon. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Once warm, add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté it gently until it's fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Be careful not to burn it. Then, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes to add a lovely, subtle warmth to your sauce. It's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour in your 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Now, add a few fresh basil leaves and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 20 minutes or up to 45 minutes for the flavors to meld beautifully. Almost done. Before serving, remove the cooked basil leaves and stir in a generous handful of fresh chopped basil. Give your marinara a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, maybe a little more salt or a grind of black pepper. This easy marinara sauce is perfect for pasta, pizza, or dipping. Remember to check the description for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.